Okay, so I'm going to talk you through question 6, 7, and 8. I noticed that Nearpod right now is having some technical difficulties, so I can't actually open up the problem. So I'm just going to explain to you how you're going to get started. Question 6 talked about two cities and their rainfall per day. So you had Oak City, and you also had Huntsville. And the question is asking you, to explain which one would have more rainfall. So for each of these, and I'm not going to know the numbers here, so as I said, I'm just going to get you started. So on each of these, you want to find their ratios of rain per day to compare them. So amount of rain per day, and then the same thing here. So you're going to read through the problem, pick out how much rain Oak City got over how many days. Do the same thing for Huntsville. How much rain per day by dividing. And then you're going to go ahead and you can convert them into decimals. So you're going to get something point something here and then something point something else here. Okay, so you're going to fill in those blanks, find your decimals, and then which one had more rain per day, you're going to circle. So whichever decimal was bigger. Question 7 talked about two stores selling batteries, and you need to figure out which one was the better buy. So kind of similar, but if you're talking about shopping, you're not going to pick the bigger number. To better buy always means you want to save money. So you're going to find for each of these shops, and I forget what they're called. I think the first one is ABC Battery. I think that was the name of the first store. And then I think the other one was Better Battery, something like that. So again, you want to find the better buy. So you're going to find ratios, but this time we're going to do the price divided by the number of batteries. So for ABC Battery, take how much money they're selling them for and how many there are. I'm not positive, I can't remember the price here, but I think it was 8 batteries maybe down here. Divide that out, and then you're going to do the same thing for Better Batteries. If I remember correctly, I believe this is about $10.80 for 15 batteries. So you would do 1080 divided by 15. That's going to give you your number. But then again, whatever you get there, you're going to compare your decimals. And then you're going to ask yourself which one was cheaper. Because when you're talking about numbers and finding a better buy, you want to save money. So divide the prices by the number of batteries for both stores. Whichever one is less expensive is your better buy. And then question 8 talked about two students, and you need to figure out they're saving coins or they're saving money, and one is going to save $25, so how much is the other? And then there's a hint to make a table. So you have two students, I can't remember their names, Corey and something, so student 1 and student 2. You know that when student 1 saved $5, student 2 saved $3. So then you're looking for, if there's a 25 over here, student 1 saved $25, how much did student 2 save? So if I think about scale factors, oops, wrong arrow, 5 times 5 is 25. So 3 times 5 gives me 15. So your answer for number 8 will be 15. Okay, again, I apologize, I don't have those numbers written here. The Nearpod where I have it saved is having some technical difficulties, but go through the process here. Find your ratios and compare them. Rain divided by day, pick the larger value. Price divided by batteries, pick that smaller value. And here's your answer for number 8.